In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful and gracious. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I am very thankful to Ma'am Faria Shamsi who has given us a wonderful chance and a wonderful project. Introduction of my project. Fertiland is a service agency going to help farming sector of our country. My whole project is based on the idea of assisting and helping the farming sector in order to increase the productivity of the crop. So farmers are unable to get proper nutrition and proper fertilizer at proper time. So the productivity of the crop is less. To assist them, our agency, service agency will help them. A competitive advantage. Competitive advantage is that uh, this kind of idea already running in the market, so people are well familiar with them. So it will need less training. Problem statement. I already discussed that farmers are unable to get the fertilizers at proper time. So this is the problem. That's why the productivity of the crop is less. So to increase the productivity, we will assist them by giving our product at the doorstep. Features. Uh, Online orders. Customers can book their online orders. Quick access means they can get they can visit our website easily and they can get products easily. Means to their doorstep. Access will be quick and easier. Rapid growth. Rapid growth in a sense that uh, people have become well familiar with these kinds of online uh, selling and buying, so it will be easier for them, and there are likely chances of our project and likely chances of our agency to grow more and more. Business process. Goal of the business. Goal of the business is to provide quality products at the doorstep. Plan. Plan and actions of our project are dependent on the idea of providing uh, goods to support the farming sector that will start in the Sakhar region, and their test process will also be in the Sakhar region. After that, we will get the reviews of the customers, how they experienced our service, and after that, monitoring. There is a need of a good manager who will manage all these process of assisting the customers. Supply chain process is very simple. That customer will contact through website, and it will connect them to the help center. Help center would be connected with the supplier, means industries or the warehouses or the shops, and that will supply the goods to the customer. Revenue model. Our revenue will be generated when the customers will visit our website, and they will book online orders, and they will purchase the product. 5 to 10% will be charged as cost for them, and it will be the revenue for us. Marketing plan. Brand details. Uh, Fartiland is a new brand, but the idea is not a new. Uh, these kinds of the ideas, online selling, are already in the market, but we need marketing for to introduce our new brand. Competitors are also available in the market who are traditional. They are selling in a traditional way, not through online. So competitive advantage for us will be that uh, in order to save the time of the customers, we will target them and we will give them the products at the doorstep, and they are already familiar with these kinds of the things, and it will be a competitive advantage for us that the world has become digitalized and modernized, so it will not need a good training and marketing, so it will be less costly. So channels advertising channels will be social media and the news in order to introduce the service and the brand in order to capture the market. Thank you very much.